Hello, my name is Marcel, and this is a Goryeo Celadon soap making video. Here is the oil that I premixed. They are olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. I usually cool down the oil and the lye water before mixing them. But this time, I poured the lye water into the oil at a slightly higher temperature than usual because I wanted to see if it helps reduce the soda ash. I have been having soda ash on my soap bars lately, maybe because I poured the soap at thin trays or maybe the temperatures were not high enough. So this time, I also tried to get the medium trays as well. I added three colors, white, blue, and green to get the minty bluish green color. I usually add more colors after stirring a while so that I can get the color that I want. As you see, I poured the soap at medium trays. It was a little bit thick, so it didn't go all the way to the end of the slab mold. This is a small piping bag that I am using today. I already made extra white and black soap for the decoration. When you prepare the soap for the decoration, you don't have to make a lot. You may think it's too little, but you don't need that much soap for the decoration. A small batch is fine. And make sure to close the end so the soap doesn't come out when piping. So this is the Celadon that I got the inspiration from. Celadon is basically a green colored ceramic. The color is beautiful and especially I really love the pattern on this pottery. There are lots of cranes flying through the clouds. I also find out that this particular vase inspired Linda Sue Park's novel, A Single Shot. So I decided to adopt this design on my soap. After pouring the soap, I waited for about 30 minutes for the decoration. First, I pressed a cap on the soap to mark the guideline. And I always want to emphasize that when you design a pattern on the soap, the more designs, the better the soap will look, because eventually you need to cut the soap into small pieces. So don't miss any empty spots and draw as much as you can. And after beveling, here is the final look of the soap. Luckily, almost every crane made it on the soap without being cut, and you can enjoy the cranes flying through the clouds on the soap. I really wanted to create this image of the soap, and I think it came out pretty fine. I will definitely try this again after my piping skills gets better. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. I make lots of soap with beautiful designs. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.